Greetings to all Woodford School Lusaka pupils. It is my prayer that you are all well and keeping safe by washing your hands frequently with soap and water or sanitizing them, as well as by staying home. I welcome you all back to Term 2. It is strange to open schools like this where we are not together physically. However, this is the new normal now. Dear pupils, we may not be able to open schools physically, but learning has to go on. You may have read from your friends or from your older siblings who are in grade 7 that they started learning already last month. Yes, they have been learning remotely. Dear pupils, please take this remote learning seriously, as this is the real thing for now, until COVID-19 is controlled or eradicated completely. The teachers are working very hard in preparing lessons, recording videos, and they are doing a lot of research to ensure teaching is effective and that learning is easy for you. Please take note of the announcements. Dear pupils, you will need all the support you can get from your parents during this period of remote learning, because without their support, this will not be possible. When I talk about support, I mean the following. You will need a room that is conducive for learning. You will also need an internet device, preferably a laptop and bundles. A cell phone is too small and may not be adequate for doing the work. You will also need an adult to help you set up the internet device. For younger pupils in reception, grade 1 and 2, you will need an adult with you as you participate in the live lessons. Please take note of the time set for the live lessons so that you do not miss out. Lessons will be uploaded on the remote learning platform every weekday according to the timetable. It is important that you do your work consistently, and if you encounter any challenges, please reach out to your teacher immediately. We'll also have live lessons using Google Meet or Zoom, and your class teachers will give you good notice of this, which will normally be the day before. Dear children, you will need to be formal throughout the sessions. That means addressing the teacher and your fellow pupils properly and politely, as you would normally, and being decently dressed. If for any of the reasons you miss the live lesson, do not despair, as the lessons will be recorded and you can easily access them when you can. Remote learning is not easy, dear children, as it comes with its own challenges, such as internet failure, power outages, and sometimes internet device sharing. However, do not despair, as there are solutions to all the above. Please observe the submission due dates on the lessons. It is very important that you do your work within the given time and practice self-discipline. All the assignments are due now. Please ensure that they are submitted by scanning and emailing them to your respective class teachers. Your parents will help you do this. Projects can be brought to school physically by your parents. Please ensure that they are clearly labeled with your name and your class. Last week on Friday 8, the President of the Republic of Zambia announced that examination classes will physically open on Monday, June 1. We are thankful to the President for this pronouncement, and we are going to start making preparations as to how our grade 7 classes will be able to report back to school. Dear children, remember that teachers are just a phone call away. They are ready and committed to answer any questions that you may have. Please call them between 0830 and 13:30 hours. In the afternoon, they'll be busy marking submitted assignments and preparing your schoolwork for the next day. We hope and pray that schools can open normally for all grades soon. Remember to practice personal hygiene. If you have to go out in public, please remember to always wear a mask. Keep safe and God bless you all. Thank you.